Now that the machine is installed in your workshop and will not move anymore, it's time to remove the Axis lockers and power up the machine. Please make sure that all of the transportation bracket and lockers has been removed to avoid any crash or motor overload.
Those transportation lockers are essential to hold your axis still during the transportation. We start by the X1, Y1 axis located next to the guide bush. We remove the 3 fixation screws, then we remove the bracket. Then you can reinstall the 2 fixation screws on the metal sheet. Next locker to remove is the Z4 locker. So you remove the 4 screws. Then you remove the bracket and you reinstall those 4 screws that are not shown on video. Let's now remove the X4 locker located at the front of the counter spindle. Same as the previous one, you remove the 4 fixation screws. Remove the bracket and then reinstall the screws. There is one last locker to remove. This locker is located inside the main spindle area. It's the Z1 locker. So you remove the 4 screws. Then you remove the locker, but you don't reinstall the screws.